Alright, you guys, just want to make a quick announcement. I haven't really been pushing out a lot of videos just because, like I said in the last one, I got this young puppy. If you guys want to meet Rocket, I have been posting him on the IG. Yeah, that's my guy. But I wanted to make a quick announcement saying if you guys want to follow me on bflakessupply or go ahead and check out the web store, I did do a lot of markdowns on there. There is a lot of sneakers, so if you guys want to rock with me, support me. And if you guys are new subscribers, I appreciate that. But yeah, link it down in the description, bflakessupply. I'll post it right here as well. Copy yourself some steals and deals, and then let's just hop into the video right now. Thank you guys. Gucci everybody on YouTube, thank you guys for tuning in back to another video on this channel, and this video is going to be an unboxing from the brand Kthla, Kill the Hype LA. If you guys are familiar with the upside down LA Dodger hat, this is the brand that it came from. I'm gonna let you guys know the process of ordering 2 hats. This literally took about like 6 or more months to get. A lot of emails to send, and just overall their customer service and how ordering works from them. So let's just hop into the video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this unboxing. Alright, you guys, so with KTH, you guys may see a lot of NBA players rocking with them, like Jordan Clarkson, Swaggy P, PJ Tucker, LeBron even wore a Laker hat from them. But I do like how NBA players are rocking with it, and I do like the wave of their hats. The only thing is that I would want for the packages to get here a lot quicker. I understand a lot of orders are being made and stuff like that, but you guys gotta, for me at least, this took about like 7 months to get, and I just, you know, wish I got it earlier. So I just unboxed this, but with KTH LA, they do random drops from like time to time. I'm gonna say like every 3 or 4 months they do random drops. Each hat does retail for about 50 to maybe 60 bucks. But I did order 2 hats, as you guys can see. Nothing really special as far as the packaging goes. There's not even a slip in here, it's just 2 hats. Whatever the case is, yeah, so just a blank box. Knock this out of the way. And the 2 hats that I picked up, these are actually very nice. I'm very excited about this. I picked up the upside down spruce green LA Dodgers hat. This is very, very clean. I'm gonna wear this like every day. As far as like the flat brim, they do have regular curved brims, like pre-curved brims you can get. But I literally just took my hat and just, you know, curved it myself. And I'm obviously gonna do the same thing with this hat as well. So this is the upside down LA Dodgers, and then I have the upside down Los Angeles Lakers. Right there you guys go. Alright, you guys, so that wraps up the video. Overall, I just wanted to make the video to show you guys how long this took for me to get in the mail. And if you guys do plan on ordering, just be patient with them, because they also do try to, you know, reach out or post, whatever the case is, when they are shipping out these hats. But yeah, so there you guys go. Picked up the 2 hats. Will I order from them again? Most likely, just because I do like what they're pushing out. And yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit the thumbs up button for me. It goes a long way. And if you guys are watching to the end, it means the world to me. I have been mad busy with my dog. Rocket, come here. Busy with my dog. I try to call him over. But if you guys want to meet Rocket, there's my new little puppy. I've been busy with him. But yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. More videos will be on the way. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, that'll be linked down below as well. If you guys want to check out the web store, I do have a lot of items marked down there. So if you guys want to cop some steals and deals, go ahead and do so as well. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.